Welcome, space explorers. Today, we're embarking on a cosmic journey to explore the diverse world of planets. Buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride through our solar system. Let's start our exploration with the terrestrial planets, the rocky cousins of our home planet Earth. Mercury, the smallest planet, is a tiny, hot world closest to the Sun. Its surface is scorched by the Sun's intense radiation, making it a barren landscape. Venus, our next stop, is a scorching beauty. With its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, it's the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Earth, our home planet, a vibrant oasis of life amidst the vastness of space. Its liquid water oceans, diverse ecosystems, and rich atmosphere make it the perfect place for life to thrive. Mars, the red planet, is a captivating world with a fascinating history. Once covered in water, Mars may have once harbored life. Today, it's a cold, dry world with a thin atmosphere and towering volcanoes. Next, we venture into the realm of the gas giants, massive worlds dominated by swirling gases. Jupiter, the king of the planets, is a colossal gas giant with a great red spot, a giant storm raging for centuries. Its gravitational pull shapes our solar system, influencing the orbits of other planets. Saturn, the ringed wonder, is adorned with breathtaking rings made up of billions of tiny particles of ice and dust. These rings stretch millions of miles, creating a mesmerizing spectacle in space. Uranus, the sideways planet, is a peculiar world that lies tilted on its side. Its atmosphere is composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane, giving it a pale blue hue. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a stormy world with fierce winds that reach speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour. Its deep blue color is caused by the absorption of red light by methane in its atmosphere. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us through a diverse array of planets, each with its unique characteristics and mysteries. From the scorching heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet holds a piece of the puzzle that is our solar system. As we continue to explore our universe, we may discover even more amazing planets and unveil the secrets that lie beyond our reach. So, keep your eyes on the skies, young explorers, and never stop dreaming of the wonders that await us among the stars.